everyone, welcome to the Virtual Kitchen Bar Edition. I'm Lacey Wohlheiser. I'm the Little Dinner Series Coordinator here at the Dedman School of Hospitality. And today I'm making a cocktail to pair with Zach's red snapper dish. I hope that you all find it reminiscent of the kind of coastal sunsets we have in this area, the beautiful coastline we have in the Panhandle, while you enjoy some local seafood. So let's just jump right into it. We have 1.5 ounces of tequila, into the shaker. We'll do a 1/2 ounce of Aperol. Aperol has very nice kind of grapefruit notes, just really nice kind of citrus essences that play really well with the tequila. So it's a fun combination. Aperol is one of my go-tos. We'll need 1 ounce of our raw ginger simple syrup. This is made in a preparation where the ginger is not heated, so you get all of that fresh, zippy, peppery gingerness. Once you start steeping it, the spiciness level increases, and you really want to avoid that. We really just want a nice raw ginger flavor in the cocktail. So 1 ounce of our raw ginger simple syrup. And a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, squeezed and strained. Don't buy the stuff in the plastic bottle that looks like a lemon. Avoid that. Take the time to juice your own citrus. It'll pay off, I promise. We will add ice to our glass, ice to our shaker. Secure the lid well. We don't want to have any leaks here. Shake. Your shaker should be nice and chilled on the outside. That's how you know it's ready. You don't want it to dilute too much on the ice, so go ahead and pour pretty immediately. Leave about 1 inch of headspace for the ginger ale. About another 1/2 ounce to 1 ounce of that to taste. You can amend it if you like it a little weaker versus a stronger cocktail. And we will take an orange segment. I like to kind of rub the rim of the glass here to create all those orange essences for the guests. There you have your coastal sunset. I think this will pair very nicely with seafood, any local seafood, or if you're just needing something to sip out on your porch this fall as we enjoy some wonderful weather. Enjoy. Cheers.